Why you mad? Fix your face. I'm going up and then you feel some kind of way. I'm going up.
Hey you guys, what's goody with the zoo? It's your girl everyone for the zoo, and I'm back with another video. We have dinner today at 7, and then after that, we're gonna go to the club.
Fucking hot as shit.
Hey you guys.
What's up, y'all?
What we about to do? Oh, go to dinner. We're about to go to dinner. Look at the fit. I was gonna tell you to wear your white shirt. That's why I took it out the thing, but look at this part of my hair. Nice, great.
Why you see?
Anyway, yeah, we about to go to dinner. We look real cute. Dinner's at 8:30. We got like 15 minutes. Yeah, we going to Hibachi's. And then we're supposedly going to the club. But we gonna see. We might change our mind or whatever. Anyway, someone's tired. That's because this dummy
Tired? What?
been in the pool all damn day.
Had to get my exercise on.
Then when I come back all tired and sleepy.
But who was asleep when I got to the room
Oh yeah,
from the pool?
of course I got my sleep in. You crazy? Are you crack? Look at the eyeshadow. Cute, right? Anyway, I'm hot right here. It's hot. I'm sweating. Hey you guys, today is our last day. Say hi. You gonna follow me? Say hi. Today is our last day. Our flight.
Hey.
I know. You just followed me? So what's that? Our flight is at 7. Our flight is at 7. Our shuttle comes at 4 to get us.
I thought she had blocked me.
Right now we just here chilling, and we are getting some food. Before we go, your girl is in fucking Cabo wearing all black. I'm burning up.
Me too, I'm fucking hot as shit.
But all in all, we did enjoy our stay. It was really fun. It was really like, it was calm. It was calm.
Went out last night.
You're not even in there.
We went out last night. Niggas was about to mix and shit.
Oh yeah. Oh.
It was a fight happening right in front of us. That shit was so slow though.
I meant to say, I told y'all that we was going to dinner. I really didn't get much footage from dinner. That's why you ain't see me post that much. Cause dinner was a mess, child. And then we went out to the club. I didn't get no footage from the club because, child, y'all see me. I done lost all my damn nails since I've been out here. But yeah, so here we are the next day. We're about to leave. But one thing I can say about Cabo, it was really fun, really quiet. Well, the side that we were on, the part that we were on was really quiet.
You had fun at the clubs?
Yeah, the clubs were cool.
Would you recommend this resort?
Yeah, I like this resort. It's real calm.
The service is good. People really nice. They're real nice.
They're really friendly here. if y'all got kids, this is a resort for kids. Like, this is kids friendly. It's really nice and calm and cool. Like, I really like it here. Yesterday when we was at the club, they was playing Fuck Donald Trump, and everybody was hype, and I respected it. What else? These motherfuckers here walk around and offer you coke all damn day. Like, that's just crazy. Like, they that ass come up to you like asking if you want some fucking coke all day long, like, and don't give a fuck and don't. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna record after this. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm not gonna record like when we get back home or when we're getting on the plane or whatever. But I just think I'm gonna come back here, and if I don't, yeah.
All right, buddy.
Hey.
Your food is here, my friends.
Thank you,
Alright.
thank you.
Delicious, Nash.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, Papa. They're so kind and friendly
See,
here.
service. A1.
But this what we got. What's these, babe?
Quesadillas.
Thank you.
How are you? Ladies is fair, right?
Quesadilla de pollo.
So yeah, they guac here is mad fresh, like the freshest guac ever. No funny.
Definitely good guac.
But yeah, we're gonna go now. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, more videos to come. I hope you guys like these vlogs, and if you guys plan on checking out or coming to Cabo, then I want to know. Or if you went to Cabo
She
before,
look real good.
if you came to Cabo before, comment where you guys stayed. Comment what you guys liked, didn't like, or comment different parts of Mexico that y'all recommend. Like, mad people go to Cancun. Not a lot of people really go to Cabo because Cancun is more like tourism, and this is more like chill, relax,
We definitely gotta go to Cancun.
family type thing. But yeah, just comment down below. Yeah, we could go to Cancun some other time. I'm trying to go to. Look at this! Oh damn it! I was gonna record the birds.
Our next trip gonna be soon. Real soon. We ain't telling y'all where we going for our next trip.
Okay, bye you guys. Say bye to them.
Bye.